Yes, it looks simple. However, there is much going on in here. First, we started with water boiling in this pan. Bring it to a boil. Add such items as fruit medley fiber blend, black chia seeds, and no sugar added diced peaches. One little cup like that. I find that one packet of Irish oatmeal, instant, because Irish oatmeal takes a long time to cook. So unless you want to go through that, I don't. Of course, whole foods are better. Fresh vegetables. Who's got the time for that? 1 teaspoon of this. It's pretty strong, so you don't need a lot. There's one element I wanted to add at the very end here. I don't like cooking honey. Supposedly it's not the best. Plus you lose all the good stuff in it. It needs to be raw. So we brought that to a boil. Cook the dried fruit and let the dried fruit sort of become soft again. I don't know about you, but it's very leathery and tough. And then added the chia seeds. Also, ginger, Himalayan pink salt, very small amounts of spice, by the way, cinnamon, cardamom, nutmeg, always a very small amount of these next two spices, and clove. You don't need a lot. If you put too much in, you definitely will regret it every single time. And that's about it. So you have a very colon-friendly oatmeal that'll help you go to the bathroom. Oh, I did forget one ingredient. 2 ingredients, actually. I put some milk in towards the end. The spices and the milk more towards the end, because you don't need to cook them all, in my opinion. Also shredded coconut. That also went in the very beginning with the raw, dehydrated fruit, because I like to kind of cook it down, otherwise it's kind of chewy, which is fine, but thinking about digestion here. Now then, the last component will be sprinkling of raw local honey. It's good for the immune system. It's good for a lot of things, but it's also good for allergies, which I have chronic congestion, 365 days a year allergies. So in addition to lots of other things that I do, medicine, I find every little bit helps. All right, bon appetit.